So we got a heck of a hailstorm and it did a lot of damage. So my wife called me and she was very upset, said her car was beat up by the hail, windshield smashed in and she couldn't drive it. So I went and got the trailer and I'm going to go out and check out her car and assess the damage. As you can see, we got a lot of rain from this storm.
All right, well, here the car is. It even popped these covers off. A hail ball broke the bumper. The dents. That windshield. Took out the sunroof. Broke the door handle. All the dents in the side. Into the top. I don't know. I'll almost be surprised if they don't total this out. It's a bummer. Look at this. Wow, this is crazy. I've never seen in-person damage like this before.
The damage was pretty widespread to a lot of people, and I knew there was no way we were going to get a tow truck, and so we just got the trailer and trailered it at home ourselves. Just in case the car could be saved, I wanted to get it in the garage and out of the rain.
Alright, I got the thing home, and yeah. Poor girl. Kind of bummed out. My wife bought this car new, and it's been a good car for us, but I will be very surprised if they don't total the thing out. I'll get a better angle here soon. Look at that. Just hail damage. That's all this is hail damage. Broke the mirror. But this car did not even have a door ding in it before this. And we were always really careful with it. And
And after about 2 months, the insurance did finally pay out on the car. They did total it. Water got all inside and just down in the vents, glasses down the vents. There was just no saving it. So we found another car on cars.com and drove to Oklahoma to get it. So we drove about 180 miles to Skyway Honda in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and we got this. It is a 2026 Honda Pilot Black Edition. Now I realize this isn't as exciting as an old hot rod or an old Jeep, something fun to play with, but we do like having a decent daily driver, something to take trips in, and just something nice to drive, and we really like the looks of this car.
Oh, sorry, left. Sorry. Did I say right?
I don't know. Curb. I'm too close to the curb.
See, it's a good thing you got that camera. So now we're gonna take another left.
how's Amazing Drive? You like it?
this out. There you go.
Like that big guy?
I do.
And then your son will obviously that whole course from there. And that's on the other side. So I'll do it there. Get it all the way back.
Pull it.
Oh, okay.
Pull it. Yeah, that's the car just finished.
So we made it home, and my wife said the car drove wonderful. She said it drove better than her old Highlander, and I'm not bashing the Highlander in any way. That was a great car, but she just said this one drove a little bit better. Skyway Honda in Bartlesville, Oklahoma was great to work with. They were very low pressure, and we got this car $3,000 cheaper than what we could have got it locally. I'm all about saving money wherever I can, and to me, driving 180 miles to save a few bucks is a no-brainer. It is well worth it to me. Now, this is just our story through the storm, but a lot of people truly had it bad. We got off pretty lucky, but we had full coverage insurance, and I do feel bad for the people that didn't. If you're interested in one of these Hondas and there's a feature you want to see, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll try to make a video about it. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe.